Yeah.
Alright, here at the car wash, going to do a first wash on the Civic here, and take it home, do a good interior detail. So let's get this washed. Alright, we're back home after washing it and did just a quick little wash there at the car wash. And look how clean this looks. Holy cow. That thing was super dusty and dirty. But yeah, here's this quick little walk around. Gonna clean the inside a little bit. But yeah, it's looking a lot better now. So time to get the vacuum out the inside, try to get that dog smell away. Okay, back to cleaning. Oh, this is nice. Hope all one piece. Glad I got the floor mats. I guess it is a newer car, not like my 90s cars. Never had floor mats. They look like they're in pretty good condition. I'm not going to get carried away with this detail. I got so much going on. We're moving in 5 days or so. Well, my camera didn't record again, but I used the our inside vacuum and used this pet turbo eraser thing. It works pretty good. Got all the floor mats done. I mean, I could still like shampoo them, but I'm not gonna do that today because like I said, we're moving soon. So I'm just doing a real quick clean, try to get all the dog hair out. It actually did really good on this back carpet piece. But yeah, I mean, once we're moved to Florida and settled in, I'm going to take carpet cleaner and clean the little bit of stains up on there. But yeah, it's coming along nicely. I'm going to wipe off the dash. Let's get it somewhat clean and hopefully have a air freshener and I can start a new air freshener collection. Yeah, let's wipe the dash off and replace this ugly eBay shift knob. Wipe down. Just use the 2 little Armor All wipes my mom had. Since everything's packed away that I have. Let's get this shift knob replaced. Alright, I'm done here in the interior. Did 3 little things. Got my Honda Street Garage shift knob. I made this charger work. The problem was what was on there before. This piece is female and this is female, so this is what I had. Used to clip into my vent and clip in and had the male piece out, and then the one he had on there was opposite way around, the male piece on the port right there. But it's on there, should work for now. Charge my phone, and then I put in the Broadway mirror. because these things are amazing. Got all cleaned up. I'm about to go run some errands. But yeah, that's pretty much the end of this video. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the Civic Si. And if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. As we get moved into our new place, I'll be doing a lot more things. But just, you know, first thing first, gotta clean it out and do some maintenance on it. So if you like this video, leave a thumbs up, comment anything down below. And until next time, peace out. Did score a CD though. Here it goes. Look at this. Yeah. You young kids don't understand. This was the shit back in the day. Make that mix disc, you know? Throwback.